People still digging through the rubble. Homes destroyed. Homes with holes in the roof. Kids playing in the rubble. The tents get delivered. Winter is coming in about a week's time, and they expect about 2 meters of snow, maybe 3 meters of snow. We need your donations, inshallah. If we get the donations come, inshallah, people can help these guys. The winter starts in about a week, 2 weeks time, so we need to get here as soon as possible and distribute this, inshallah.